Bordax mixture is a copper fungicide effective in controlling downy mildew of grapes, damping of disease, and several leaf diseases. Nowadays, it is majorly used in controlling Phytophthora diseases. The chemistry of preparation of Bordax mixture is not that complex. To prepare 1% Bordax mixture, 1 kg of copper sulfate is dissolved in 50 liters of water. 1 kg of lime is dissolved in another 50 liters of water. Then, copper sulfate solution is slowly added to lime solution with constant stirring. The important point to remember here is, always copper sulfate solution should be added to lime solution, not lime solution to copper sulfate solution. If it is added in a reverse manner, the strength of the fungicide lowers due to precipitation of free copper. Alternatively, both the solutions may be poured simultaneously into third container and mixed well. Concentration of Bordax mixture to be prepared differs with disease and the severity we are dealing with. This mixture will be neutral or alkaline in pH. If the quality of used material is inferior, then the solution will be acidic. If the mixture is acidic, then it will be highly phytotoxic and results in scorching of plant. So, it is very necessary to know the pH of the solution prepared. Very simple method to know the pH of a mixture is just by dipping a well-polished knife or sickle into a mixture for few minutes. If reddish deposit appears on knife or sickle, it indicates the acidic nature of the mixture. Stickers can also be used so that spray application will not be washed away even after rains. Always use plastic containers while preparing Bordax mixture and avoid metallic containers. Bordax mixture should be prepared fresh every time before spraying. In case the mixture has to be stored for a short time, jaggery can be added at a rate of 1 kg per 1 liter of mixture.